and you're watching A Squad. So we're back with another challenge video, and it is the Beanboozled challenge. Oh no, yeah, challenge. Basically that kunya box undaittu kore jelly beans undu adu kore flavors undu kore color undu and even though the color and shape of the jelly beans might be same, it looks similar, പക്ഷേ they have two different flavors.
So for example, coconut anengil coconut flavor will be white color jelly bean, പക്ഷേ the one white color might be the actual coconut and the other one might be really bad.
Okay, so let's move into the video.
അങ്ങനെ നമ്മുടെ ഫ്ലേവർ എത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. സോ ഈ ബീൻബൂസലിന്റെ പാക്കിന്റെ ബാക്കിൽ they say what the actual flavor is supposed to be, but the other thing is mystery flavor ആയിട്ട് ഇട്ടേക്കുക. So what we are going to do is I have the actual
ഇതിനകത്ത് mystery flavor എന്ന് എഴുതിയിട്ടുള്ളൂ. What the mystery flavor എന്ന് എഴുതിയിട്ടില്ല. So we'll not look at this first. We'll eat with the flavor given. Actual flavor is നമുക്ക് കഴിക്കും.
And then we'll try to figure out എന്ത് flavor ആണ്. It's the mystery flavor എന്താണ്.
And then we'll refer to the phone.
Anyway, let's start with the first one. So, which do you like the most?
Let's start with this one.
Oh my god.
See, ഇതിനകത്ത് ഈ പാക്കിനകത്ത് ആകെ രണ്ടെണ്ണം. Is this all same?
No, that's different. I think it's either this.
Okay.
It's either this or this one. So we gotta try this.
I know, I'm gonna get the bad one.
It's either strawberry or peach. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. You got the good one too?
Yeah.
This is strawberry banana smoothie. What did you get?
I don't know, but it's good. I think it's peach.
It was supposed to be, the bad flavor was supposed to be dead fish, but she got.
Wait, no, it's not.
This is not.
Maybe I think this is coming with it. Okay, we'll try this one.
No, this looks different from what we ate now. I guess even if it's because
they are wrong. We are correct. They are wrong.
Yeah,
the people who manufactured it was wrong.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I am the one, the way your son.
Okay. I'm not done yet.
Just dip it then.
2 very boring minutes later.
അങ്ങനെ കുറേ നേരത്തെ ചവ കഴിഞ്ഞ് ഞങ്ങൾ തിരിച്ചെത്തി. So next നമുക്ക് try ചെയ്യാം.
I think we'll eat this one. I think it's both bad.
Okay.
Next one.
I'm gonna eat. 1, 2, 3, go. That's bad. This is dead fish.
I know, it's dead fish. What was that?
Oh my god.
What did you get?
I got something really bad.
I'll tell you what. I know what the flavor. Oh my god, it's bad.
It's a barf.
You know what I got? You know mean gulliga?
Yeah.
Oh,
that was dead fish. കഴിഞ്ഞ നമ്മൾ കഴിച്ചതിന്റെ
so I ate peach and you ate strawberry.
നേരത്തെ
അതിന്റെ bad.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, it's bad.
But they all look very similar. Anyway, it was really bad. Okay, next one. Okay, what are we gonna try? We'll try this. This is either lime or lawn clippings. Okay.
Oh no.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Go. Lime.
It's so tasty.
We are so lucky. It's either rendanna potta or rendanna nallathu. Next we'll go for tutti frutti. Idilengilo aranna potta vannu. Like for her, not for me. Take it. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go.
I got bubble gum.
Tutti frutti.
Okay, wait.
മൂന്നാമത്തെ നമ്മുടെ tutti frutti മൂന്നാമത്തെ she'll try it. Guess if it's good or bad. Okay. Tutti frutti. It's bad. You're not sure it's bad. It's bad. What was it? It was sticky sauce. on to the next item. We'll try this.
Okay. Okay, fine.
This. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
What is it? Is there something chilly?
It's a rotten egg.
Oh!
It is so bad. It is supposed to be rotten egg. It tastes so bad than rotten egg.
We'll try this.
It's going to be good, I guess. Random bad animal. So it's going to be good. Eat it.
Who knows? It's actually supposed to be good. It's butter popcorn.
Caramel popcorn.
Butter popcorn.
It's caramel popcorn. It's caramel popcorn.
Yeah, but then, you know,
You got
I don't
butter
like
flavor?
it.
I liked it. I love caramel popcorn.
I like caramel popcorn. But then
I liked it so much.
it coming in with jelly is not
I like it. It is actually like eating a popcorn.
Yeah. Natural taste like that. How do people inject all these flavors inside the jelly beans? My god, they're like
Oh,
very
it is so
creative.
nice. I like that.
Creative people.
Next. And then number five. This looks fancy. Like they have tried it to be like so good, so it might be bad. So I tried this.
Okay, wait.
Ah, I'm scared.
Yeah. What did you get?
Oh my god, what is that?
What did you get? Moldy cheese, maybe.
Moldy cheese, I guess.
I got a good one.
I'm trying this. Because the fancy one looked bad, now I took the less fancy one. Since we go. Oh my god, what is that? This is so bad.
Oh!
What is it?
Oh no. Nothing.
What is it?
I'll just over it. I think it's rotten egg. Yeah. Yeah, it's rotten egg.
Since we've tried both Potta Saganam, I think this is going to be good.
At this point, I usually don't care. Ah! It's good. Oh!
It's bad again.
That was booger.
Moving into the next one. We'll try this one.
Yeah, the black one.
1, 2, 3, go. This tastes like jeeraga. This actually tastes like jeeraga. Jeeraga.
Yeah, it's dog food. Dog food doesn't taste that bad.
This is nice. This is
I mean,
jeeraga.
I thought you got the good one. Try this. Eat. Don't tell me it's again jeeraga.
What's again jeeraga? It's the dog food.
Yeah, see, you don't get the flavor adhyam. Moving on to the next one. The white one.
I'm already eating.
Oh.
5 minutes.
Oh my god!
What does it taste like? What does it taste like? Coconut. It's actually
What is that?
what is that? Spoiled milk.
Oh my god. Oh,
Does it taste like
that was the worst of all. That was the worst.
Oh, there's one more. I don't want to try it.
Try it. It will be the good one. I hope it's a bad one.
Coconut. Okay, next item.
Grass and
Is it? 1, 2, 3.
it tastes like grass.
Grass.
This is grass.
I've
That's not
never in
bad.
my life tasted grass.
It smells. This is the smell. You know, it's far better than the.
It actually
Yeah,
tastes
what?
like grass. Fine, next. You can try this. It's going to be good.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
How did you say it was good?
What if it's booger?
No.
my mooka, my va, my taste buds, everything is
Smell?
numb.
I don't know. What does it taste like? I don't know. Does it taste like juicy pear? Yeah, it's juicy pear.
It tastes like that.
Try this now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. This is chocolate pudding. Trust me, it tastes so good. And again, I like the caramel popcorn flavor. I guess this comes second. Okay, next.
No. I'm going to have finished this.
I already have chocolate flavor.
Hallelujah. It's chocolate pretty guys. It's chocolate. Chocolate pretty. You're having the next one.
No!
You're having the next one. She's having the next one, people. She's having
Chocolate
the
pretty
next one.
gagane.
Hallelujah.
Okay, I'll eat this now.
Works. Hell yeah.
I didn't.
Yeah. I know. I think the spoiled milk and this thing is like equal to me.
You try this. Okay. Ready, 1, 2, 3, go.
Why me? You also okay?
Stop it. Get some help.
It's rotten egg. Oh!
Smell? Okay, അങ്ങനെ ഓക്കാനമൊക്കെ കഴിഞ്ഞ് ആൾക്കാർ തിരിച്ചെത്തിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. So if you like the video,
Subscribe to our channel.
hit the like button.
Turn on the notifications below.
And if you think ഇതുപോലത്തെ ചാലഞ്ച് വീഡിയോസ് ആക്കണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ comment down below.
So till then,
Salam.